Is it time to buy or sell Neonode stock? In this video, we will explore Neonode in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since August 20th, 2024, our system has classified Neonode as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of over 51% since we first suggested purchasing Neonode 2 days ago. This represents an average return of approximately 25.74% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. For any potential pullback, there will now be support at the level of $3.86, a point that may provide a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $5.33 is anticipated to be the next potential peak and will likely act as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible increase of 16.39% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from negative 45.45% to negative 11.78%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 53.72% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 46.16% and positive 10.6%. This translates to a price range from $2.74 to $5.60 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Neonode includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Neonode Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, moving between $3.41 and $5.36. The Neonode Incorporated stock price gained 51.49% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, rising from $3.36 to $5.09. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 57.18% from a low of $3.41 to a high of $5.36. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 99.61% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 512,000 shares, with a total of 5 million shares bought and sold for approximately $27.49 million. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $5.36, while the lowest was $1.02. Currently, the price is 5.04%, or 27 cents, below the 52-week high, and 65.49%, or $9.66, below the all-time high on January 19th, 2023, when the price reached $14.75. Neonode Incorporated has recently reported a promising financial performance for the second quarter of 2024, generating revenues of $1.4 million, reflecting an 18.7% year-over-year increase. This uptick is a positive signal for investors, indicating that the company's restructuring efforts are beginning to pay off. The transition to a licensing business model for its touch sensor module technology has also yielded its first license agreement, signaling new revenue streams and partnerships moving forward. However, Neonode's management faced challenges at its recent annual meetings, which were adjourned due to a lack of quorum. This raises concerns about shareholder engagement and governance, which could impact investor confidence in the short term. The departure of Chief Executive Officer Dr. Urban Forssell in April and the appointment of an interim Chief Executive Officer add further uncertainty during this pivotal transition. Leadership stability is crucial as the company navigates its renewed licensing focus. Looking ahead, if Neonode can maintain its revenue growth and successfully expand its licensing initiatives, it could bolster stock performance in the long term. Yet, the ongoing engagement issues and leadership changes will need to be addressed to ensure sustained investor trust and market confidence. Analysts have assigned Neonode stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Neonode. The stock of Neonode Inc. exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal suggested by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels around $3.05 and $2.74. If the stock falls below these levels, it will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, August 15, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 100.39%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 32 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 84 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 78 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Neonode. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock tends to exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.95 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 57.18%. In the last week, the average daily volatility has been 18.70%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Neonode, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of June, 2025. Now let's delve into some potential day trading levels for Neonode. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could experience a swift upward movement under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock might drop sharply under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Neonode from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 17th of May, 2022, when Edstrom Cecilia executed an insider purchase of 4,000 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.95, reflecting a decrease of 2.82%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 84, further amplifying this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is Neonode stock a good buy? Neonode Incorporated shows several positive indicators. However, we do not view these as sufficient to recommend it as a buy. At this level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 22nd of August, we anticipate Neonode will open lower by 470 cents and begin trading at $4.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.